Quick fix. This is a 2015 Chevy Tahoe, and my wife's USB port is smashed on one side, so we're going to fix this today. First of all, you're going to want to go online and you're going to want to find this part number. This is a Chevy Tahoe replacement dual USB for the entertainment system. I will put the website and part number in the description below, so if you need to order this part, you can see where I bought it. Okay, now in order to get the old one out, you need to stick a small screwdriver right behind that black piece of plastic. It's actually easier to see on the new one. See that little indentation? You need to push a small screwdriver in so that this little edge releases so that you can then slide the old one up and out. Okay, in this case, the best thing to do is to flip open the auxiliary power. That way you can get your screwdriver a little lower in, get it inside there, and then pry up. And as you can see, I did get it up. It's going to be hard to do on the other side. Okay, so here's a shot of all those plugs pulled out, and I just want you to know that on the top of each one is a button, so you want to press that button down when you slide it out of the old one. Let's put the new ones in. Okay, if your vehicle is like mine, there is not a lot of room, so you just want to put those connections together very carefully. And I'm going to slide it back in, but I'm not going to push it back in yet until I test it. Once I finish testing it, you can see you just want to gently push it in, and the clips will catch on both sides so it won't come back out. Okay, I have checked both connections, and I'm able to use both USB ports. So at that point, I will simply push it back in, and we're all set. Hope you enjoyed this video.